Assalamualaikum, hello guys, how are you? I hope all of you are doing great. By the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I'm also doing great. Well, today in this video I'd like to share with you my daily routine. Well, first of all, I get up early in the morning, then I brush my teeth. After brushing my teeth, I make ablution, then I perform my Fajr Salah. After performing Fajr Salah, I get ready to go to the market because I'm a bakery seller, so that's why I need to go to the market to buy some bakery food. After buying some bakery food, I return back home and then I take tea. And after taking tea, I get ready to sell them at my village. And after selling bread, I return back home and um, take a rest. Then I take bath, and after taking bath I go to the mosque to perform Johar Salah. After performing Johar Salah, I return back home and then I take lunch. After taking lunch I take a nap, and then I go to the mosque to perform Asr Salah. After performing Asr Salah, I return back home and try to make a short video for my practice purpose. Then I go to the mosque to perform Maghrib Salah. After performing Maghrib Salah, I return back home and I take tea also in the evening, and then I watch YouTube videos to learning for learning purpose. Then I go to the mosque to perform Isha Salah. After performing Isha Salah, I come back home and take my supper, and after taking supper, I go to the bed.